Hey everyone, my name is Sanjay, a recent graduate from Cambridge Institute of Technology, and I wanted to talk about Emertxe Institution. Emertxe Institution is a well-established institution in embedded and IoT domain. I was placed in Wild Networks, which is an IoT company. They really design the course according to the industrial need, and so you don't have to worry about anything. And they really teach you from scratch to advanced. It really helps you to land a job in tech world. So I really wanted to thank this institution very much for giving me opportunity and for supporting me to land a job in Wild Networks. I really wanted to talk about mentors and my friends who really helped me programming to you name anything. So they're really supporting. If you're really passionate about embedded and IoT domain, I highly recommend you to join this institution. Thank you.